Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the favicons for your website or your any other projects, and you can do it at without paying anything, and you don't even need to log into anywhere. You don't even need any third party software. So in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser, and in the browser you have to search for favicons.io. Favicons.io. Just simply once you do that, you're gonna see this website which says favicon.io. Just simply open this website, and here you can see the all the content of the website. You can directly generate any of the favicon. For example, if you want to generate an image, a text, or an icon, you want to convert them to to the favicons, you can just simply do that. For example, if I go to over this, just simply I've gone over text, and here I have to write the text. For example, if I write the text here, and if I do it, you can see the favicons for the same I can generate from here. I can generate from the text, and you can do it without without any logging in anywhere. You can directly copy it from here. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.